Python. Json.Loads returns items prefixing with you. I'll be receiving a JSON encoded string from Objective-C, and I am decoding a dummy string, for now, like the code below. My output comes out with character U, prefixing each item. How is JSON adding this Unicode character? What's the best way to remove it?
The U prefix just means that you have a Unicode string. When you really use the string, it won't appear in your data. Don't be thrown by the printed output. For example, try this. You won't see a U.
Everything is cool, man. The U is a good thing, it indicates that the string is of type Unicode in Python 2.x. This URL.
Unicode is an appropriate type here. The John decoder documentation describe the conversion table and state that JSON string objects are decoded into Unicode objects. From 1.8.2.2. Encoders and decoders. Encoding determines the encoding used to interpret any str objects decoded by this instance, UTF-8 by default.
The D3 print below is the one you are looking for, which is the combination of dumps and loads, smiley face. Having prints.
If you want to support the channel,